Real Witchcraft. Jamaican Movies 2023. Starring Sister Petra, Ethic Boss. Production.
I wonder if Mr. Brown reaches again. Mr. Brown? Mr. Brown? And Mr. Brown not tell me say him almost reach? Oh. Alright, let me call him and see where him there then. Don't look like him there at all. Hi, Mr. Brown. Madam Josiah. You know, tell me say you almost reach, man, and I'm here looking and calling you and I don't see you. Say you lost? Oh dear. So you find back the road? Oh, you're coming through the shortcut. Somebody show you the way. All right, no problem. I am here waiting on you. Hurry up. Okay. Wonder which route I'm taking. The young man showing me where to come. God, you're a good God, you know. And how people say you're not real. You are so good to me. Imagine for so many years I'm trying to sell this little piece of land. And my God, I couldn't get it sold. But God bless that man that give me this link here. So finally, I have no more of this to deal with, me and my husband. So we can make we picnic up in one little business for himself.
Madam Josiah. Madam Josiah.
Mr. Brown, is that long route you take?
Mighty God. I never know say I saw the property big enough.
Yes,
Me
yes.
think say if me take the route, then me could have easy well reach here.
Well,
Why?
you see how the land nice?
Yes.
It just need to chop out.
Why? You come like say a God send me come here so and make me meet you to get this a beautiful piece of land.
Is you forget it? You know how many years me trying to sell it?
What you saying?
Yes, and
This a beautiful land here?
I couldn't get a soul to buy it.
Jesus
So you are
Christ.
the right person for it. But anyway, him tell you is how much for it?
Yeah, him telling me say 500,000, but me put a little extra on it.
Because it worth more than that, you know.
Yes.
It's just because of him why I really give it to you for that.
So I'll way down there so the land gone too?
Yes, yes.
Jesus Christ, that means say a bingo then.
You more than bingo. How you mean?
Mighty God.
And you seems like a nice, refined young man.
Well, I am, you know.
He say you're a good person, you know. That's why I say, alright. Me this get up for nothing.
Well, it's the bank I'm just coming from, you know. I just leave my business place and run go to the bank and draw a little money. They give me a hard time at the bank too, you know.
Why they are doing that? Huh?
You don't know what's going on nowadays.
No,
with the
I don't.
scamming and all of those little
Lord
things.
have
They
mercy.
give me a hard time, Madam Josiah, I'm telling you.
Oh, but you see, because of these people, is they make life rough for we all people, you know. But never mind, my dear, you get through. Then you have to dress so nice and look so good for come in the bush.
Not really, no. As I tell you, it's my business place I leave from and I just run go to the bank and decide, say, I'm going to come and give you the little money from now.
Oh, Lord. Let me fix my glasses. Oh, thank you so much. All of this is mine. Mine. Let me set it properly. All right, don't take out anymore.
I have to care about this, you know.
What do you mean by
I cannot give you this.
But I can't carry so much money.
You can find somewhere, man, and tuck it inside.
Oh, mercy. You want to put me in trouble, you know, Mr. Brown. I don't know where to.
So you're not going to count it?
I don't have to count it by the look at this. I see that extra is in it. But anyway, wait, turn your back and let me put it up.
I'm not gonna rob you or
I don't
anything.
want you to look at, you know, I bring wire and everything, you know.
But I never come for that, you know. Never come for that, you know, Madam Josiah.
All right. Anyway, I understand.
So,
Well,
how much of the land I'm gonna get?
I said it's a long piece. You're getting 50 by 100. That's not good enough, and you're getting a little extra on it. That is all right for you?
Okay.
I can't believe you're really going to bring back that little nice little bag. And it looked like I could put my...
So what you said, this is the wire?
Yes, you don't hear I was saying something to you, young man. All right.
So I'm not gonna really do any work today, you know.
You
Because
can't
if
do
you
it
know,
in
say
this
I
nice clothes.
can't do any work in this
You
clothes,
cannot do it in this nice clothes at all. You're taking out the wire and all of that. Oh, I don't have where to put everything in. I don't think I should even be in the bush for so long. What is that on my clothes? Take your time, take
So
your
your
time.
husband alright and everything?
He's doing good. Oh, yes, he's fine.
He would have followed you come here this morning.
No. Because I am doing business and he has to stay at home. He's dealing with something. Take your time, Lord, take your time, man. Take your time, man. You can't be even like that. You be even like your anxious more than me.
I am anxious, man. You know, long one piece of land to start a little
You
out.
know how long me want to get rid of this? You know where the end of it is at?
Oh, know where the end is, you know. Oh, yeah.
Just take it easy. Take your time. You want me to help you?
Yes.
I was
You can
chopping.
just put down the cutlass there.
All right, I have to keep this nearby you. Because nowadays you can't trust anybody. Because you know, these young people know you. Oh, me feel hold it.
Just patient now. Patient now. You move too booming now, Madam
I am
Josiah.
just
Just
holding.
be patient now.
All right, young man. Young man.
Just be patient, please.
So you don't want me to help you then?
Yes, I need your help, but
But I'm trying to hold it away. If I don't hold it properly, just say that I don't hold it properly, you know? Let me move this. I was doing a little chopping here for you. Because I don't do that, you know. That is not into it, you know. The chopping, you have to get somebody on your own or you chop it for yourself.
alright, just hold the wire. I don't want it to juke you or anything like that. Just
You're
hold.
sure you want me to hold it? I'm just saying. This is how I should hold it, young man. I think it would be best if it was my husband come to help you with the wiring. Because I
don't
am
really
not,
know to use
I
it,
don't
you know,
know
but
to,
I'm just trying a
I
little
don't
bit.
know myself. Normally it's my husband know to do these things. And I don't want to do these things because I'm afraid that the wire dropped me. I'm going up in here and I don't want anything to happen to me. And you see, courage catch me as well. Oh, courage catch me.
You can just give me the
You sure?
no.
Just take it. All right.
I just want to run this little piece of wire right here, so
Right.
when we come back, me and my wife will come chop it out in.
Okay. Where you running it to?
Right.
That way?
Where I should go, that side or where?
Any side you want, all of this is yours.
Oh,
All of
okay.
this go back. So anywhere you just want to hitch it, that's fine.
So I'm just gonna leave it right here,
Okay.
and
So
when
what
me and
you-
my wife come, we just clean it out. But I feel like me I just chop out some of it right here so we kind of remember the place.
All right. Well, I don't think I'm going to stay. You're using my cutlass?
You don't want me to just clear out right here?
All right,
so?
just clear it. And I really want to go home, you know, young man. Time is against me. You know? Because the reason why I don't want to stay on the road with these kind of heavy summer, you
I
understand?
understand.
I don't think you understand because you don't act like you understand, but
Understand, man.
that's okay. I do my part, so I think I should do it.
So you're gonna leave the cutlass with me? Me
No,
just clear out right
no,
here?
I don't think so. You said I should wait, so I just want to just wait. You don't have to do any more. Are you sure you want to do some more? Please look good at me.
Alright. Since you want to go, when we come back,
But you don't dress for that that, you know, I don't want you to mess up yourself. You know, you look too good to be chopping right now.
Nice doing business with you.
Yes, and next time when you're coming back, Mr. Brown, you come from that way. You see, when you pass it and go around, so you know, but that way is the shorter way and the better way.
Okay, madam.
You understand? But you have to go back down here because your car
Yeah,
down here,
yeah,
right?
yeah,
It's a long journey down there, you know.
I mean, if you tell you.
All right. I want not bad.
So, by later, I'm supposed to come back here and do some work, right?
All right, good. I can't stop and talk with you because I have to come off of the road. You
Yeah,
hear
I
me?
understand with the money and stuff like that. I understand.
Don't get me wrong, you know, I'm so grateful, but you know, we're not supposed to be on the road so heavy.
That's true. That's true.
And the government tell us as well that we know we walk heavy. So I'm going to get myself light at home.
All right, all right.
You know, call me, you hear me?
Okay.
All right, nice young man. Jeremiah?
Wife? Oh, everything work out.
Lord of mercy, everything went well.
Mighty God, I was here praying, you know. When you leave out, I was praying, you know. Everything work out right, you know.
Oh, you know, tired? You know that the young man lost?
What you said?
Him lost because him take the long route way around, so.
Mighty
So
God.
him say him lost through the bush and somebody show him the way. So he said he's going to go back up there to chop the place. And I have a little surprise.
What is it, my wife?
I didn't want to take it out here, you know. You think we should go inside?
We can.
You want to see it now?
Yes, my wife.
Lord, you can't
Mighty
wait.
God.
And it is even more than what we charge him.
Mighty God.
You know it's a refine, young man.
So, how much this, my wife?
To me, he put about 20 extra on it.
Mighty God.
Yes.
So that means that we can start the little business now.
Of course we can start the business for Petra. But you know that the young man have a business place as well. He have his own business.
If you notice, my wife, me the right here so I come like say me shop.
That's what I noticed because you know.
So stop the fighting. Stop the fighting,
Why
man.
they behaving like that? They behaving like a. They need discipline, man. Anyway.
Why put it up before anybody pass and see with so much money, you know, because you know nowadays what go on, you know.
That's what I said to the young man. I said to him that I said I want to go home as him give me the money here. I want to go home because I don't want to travel so heavy. Him think he's craving me, you know, but you know my husband, he won't even understand how long we try to sell.
You know from it come like a ages now, you know, my wife, we are trying to get rid of that piece of land. And every time we try to sell it to run up in a roadblock.
Oh Lord, there's always something happening. I don't know what is happening.
My wife, when you come and tell me say the land sell, me speechless.
And what is? And what I got on here, so? And what the hell is this? Like seriously, I chop out this place. So Madam Josiah determined. Say she gonna sell the land. So all of the Obia want me to work for all of them a years. And we're in a wear out. Me say no wonder me in upper yard from when my spirit just a juke me. Say walk and come down here, you know. Come look on the piece of place what I want for me picnic them, you know. See that? My spirit not wrong. See that? Them wire up the place and I chop it out. Well, all right. Madam Josiah, you and your husband determined, say, who know I go sell the piece of land. I don't care if I fool land or what. Me want it for me and my picnic. Me not like who in the village. So, all right, eggs up, you don't want eggs up on yourself with me. You don't want eggs up on yourself with me. Eh? Looking at the village and see if I don't go for me picnic them alone. Come turn big old engineer and all of them something they're foreign. Eh? And build the biggest house and the nicest place them. Yeah, and have a much business place. I still try push out your head after over the years, me hold on down. Well, all right. Me glad me did go deal with this a business and deal with this a case again. Because me know say it did I get worn out, you know. Alright, Madam Josiah, well, me have everything locked and planning on my head, man. This I represent Petra sheep. Alright. Me tear down now. Oh no see. Oh no sister, me steal a picnic. She send him go to college. And when he come out, he say he want on police. You know, see, as him going at the force, them force him out of it. Him mad. Him turn out of it, him can't come to nothing. On the blind, I don't want to come challenge me. Alright. This I represent your daughter, Petra Sheep. Me say she go and stay in the village and never come out to nothing. She will never have nothing. I'm going to hold her down in this. Because me say me want everything what she own here. So everything what up here belongs to me and my pity them. You don't think so? No, go make my pity them look bad here. That's what I notice. I feel so good about everything. You can imagine for how long we've been fasting and praying and we're asking the Lord to just send somebody come that we can get rid of the land them out of the way, man, because we can't deal with it anymore and we can't bear for say with that. I just sit down like she don't have any use. Huh?
I know that you will be happy now that we get the little money.
Of course we can
open a little business.
Open a business for
you understand?
her.
I think
yes,
we should
man.
just open a little wholesale, you know, where she can just sell little food and little stuff. You understand?
So you feel that she would want to do that?
So what you think she would want to do?
I don't know. You're just suggesting something, but it's not that she tell us that that's what she wants, and we don't want to do something that she's not happy with.
Yes.
Because we don't want to force her to go do something with. Because a lot of time we as parents force kids to do the things that they don't want to do, you know.
That's true.
So we have to ask her and see if that's what she wants. But you and I have a better relationship than I do, so you must know anyhow. So how these goats are behaving with you in here? You were cleaning up the tent?
And you know, you sweep up the little
Why them
place
running all over like them a mad ants? Watch out.
Them out of the beer fighting them one another, you know.
Oh, no, stop that. You need to live good, man.
Why?
So you were cleaning up the place?
You make me no bother even want to rake up the
If you
place.
don't want to do it, honey, you don't have to do it. You know that we are wealthy now, you know.
I just saw this down here, so
Lord of mercy. They go up them, they look very nice though. They look very nice.
Them have come to perfection now.
Yeah, you're taking care of them. And you can imagine after you take care of them, so nice thief want to come thief them. But it,
not in my cabinet.
tell them to try it with us and then they will see something.
Come my wife, make me go inside, go check up it, everything there.
Let me take up the cutlass. Oh Lord, I feel so good this evening, man. Mr. Robinson, boy. Why? Everybody talk about from school days about being educative. Educative, yeah? Where? Then I see some shop peers don't go drink and smoke and then things that smoke madam. No, it's not the weed madam, it's me. Do that for my pitney them. My pitney them, cause me will do anything for my pitney them. Because me now make nobody in this village just size up with my pitney them. Oh, you must always look up to me. That me I tell you no. Well, alright. Petra, you must say, you know, mama and papa still a plan say. You have to turn out to something in life. Them are going to see something today, yeah? Them are going to see something. Me say down, you must stay. So make them did about it. Them could have fast and pray till they need chip up. You will never come out to be nothing. A shame, I don't want to shame my pity them, yeah? Everybody must always say my pity them a prize and my pity them. Look upon them. You must always say look upon them. At them you follow. You can never follow them because you not come out to nothing. So since as you know determined, alright. To sell this nice pretty land. What me have planned for my picnic. You know have another guest coming. You think me an idiot? Me love my picnic them too much to see my picnic them fail and fall. You must be mad. You must say you proud of them. And when they come here, you have to call them Mrs. and Mr. Oh, and when you see me on the road, you have to talk to me good like that because I pick them have everything what they want. I hope nobody know you want me to stay. Now I still not want me to do. Petra, don't you go and stay forever. Me not care what. Watch you, stay how them chop out the place and say, me not care what them want to say. You have to stay down there so and this have to hold down forever. You go and sit down your yard like you're a mad man. And like you know want nothing, you know no ambition. Every man where you're there with, go and run where left you. Alright. Desire. Anytime anybody buy, if I buy then buy, I better they have to care back the money. They have to care what the money go no. Because we are going to get this stuff. And me not stop fight till my people them get it.
Ethic alongside Sister Petra. Give up and Christ who them losing faith. He stand firm and just a cruising straight. When the trumpet sound me be the first at the gate. With the lantern lights sweet to celebrate. Goodbye world, no more trouble, no pain. Inject me last straight in my vein.
Sing with the fire in me, Lord Jesus. Sing with the fire in my heart and soul. Holy Ghost, take over. Give me a new heart and make over. Hey, sing with the fire in me, Lord Jesus. Sing with the fire in my heart and soul. Holy Ghost, take over. Give me a new heart and make over.
What if a bitter man to gain the world and lose his soul? No repentance in the grave, I just run through your bone. Me a praise my Lord and I use my tone. Oh Lord, you are worthy to be praised. Me nah give up, cause me know the journey soon over. Me stand firm for me Lord like any soldier. Michael and Gabriel take